Acne is a condition in which your pores become clogged by dirt, oil, sebum, and dead skin cells. It results in whiteheads, blackheads, pimples, and in rare cases lead to acne. It is most common during teenage and may also occur at any age. When you encounter acne, you need to take care of your skin even more. So in this video, we will share with you an homemade anti-acne gel that will help you to cure acne fast. For making this gel, you need 4 to 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has antibacterial properties and has been used for centuries to treat different skin conditions. It helps in fighting against acne-causing bacteria. It removes excess oil and sebum from the skin and helps you to soothe your skin. 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and treat mild to moderate acne. It soothes redness and inflammation of the skin and clear your clogged pores by removing excess oil and dirt from the skin. 10 drops of neem oil. Neem oil is really great for acne and acne scars. It has antibacterial properties and balances your oil production and deep cleans your pores. It is rich in vitamin C and increases collagen production as well as it heals acne scars. It also helps to prevent further acne breakouts, hence helps you in getting clear skin. 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil has antibacterial properties and helps to unclog the pores by clearing all the dirt, oil, and dead cells from the skin. Take a small glass jar and put aloe vera in it. Now add all the essential oils in it and mix well. Your anti-acne gel is ready to use. Store it in a cool and dry place and use it every night before going to bed. You will get clear and smooth skin within few weeks. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.